Hey there, growers. I'm Dylan. And I'm Dylan too. And welcome back to another episode of the Grow Closet. So today we're going to be talking about Farmers Defense. And right here, I have one of their aprons. And let's go over some of the features of this apron. Nice, sturdy design. It looks like, it's made very well. The stitching looks great on here. The actual neckband is all adjustable. And then the waistband, instead of having to tie it, actually just comes with a quick release clip. So it's nice and convenient. Once you get that kind of sized in, you just immediately go over, click it on, and it latches. Looks very well made as well. Looks nice stitching. This one actually has a good amount of pockets too. There's a buttonable pocket up here. Down here, another button pocket. Small slendered pocket, and then this is a canvas pocket mainly used for shears or trimmer or scissors, anything like that. And there are two pockets inside of there as well. This is a great product. I wish that I had this when I was running my grow, because similar with their sleeves, I just noticed that getting resin off your clothes is a pain. Having hives on your arms is a pain. It's just another step to having to figure something out or having to deal with something. And I like these products because they make so much sense and they're just gonna make your life so much easier. This apron is resin resistant, and I feel like it would just help out with harvesting so much. So this product is unfortunately out of stock at this time in our Monster Garden store in Sonoma County, but you can purchase it at farmersdefense.com. And if you spend more than $50 on an order, you'll get free shipping anywhere in the continental US, as well as having a 60-day guarantee. So go check out farmersdefense.com and try these out. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below. Backdoor check.